walking around over Kutmar. They sell good coffee and a brownie.
This is a delicious brownie for you. Hi.
Very nice market. Lots of food, veggies. Should stop here on this stall. They sell good coffee and a brownie. Should come here and try it. They have a lot of flavors. They have with Oreo, peanut butter, a lot of flavors. Try the coffee.
Cappuccino medium.
That's right. How much do I owe?
$2.50. Oh really? Okay. Yeah, I mean we're
Perfect. Thank you so much. The brownie, I pay there?
Yeah, you pay there.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Can I try a bit of that?
Oh, of course. Please.
Excuse me.
That's for you.
Thank
This
you.
is the classic dark chocolate,
Yeah.
which is the base for all the classic brownies down below.
Okay.
And just a matter of what kind of flavor combination you like. I also have vegan and gluten-free.
I think I prefer
Best cookies.
the normal one.
Classic one. Yes. Would you like it now with the to have the coffee or to take away?
No, I want to take away, and I want to take. I've seen this promotion here.
Yes. If you buy 5, you get 1 free, and you
Yeah.
can mix and match as you like.
No,
You
but
get a
I'm
box.
thinking to
Same ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. So
5,
you get 6
six,
of those.
6 of the same. Yeah.
Put them in the box. And all to take away?
I'll take away, please. I've seen this yesterday.
Perfect. Yeah.
Today is just to take away, and
It's great for
to show to some friends, and
exactly.
before they come here to try as well.
It's a perfect time for this, and I think the last couple of days, most of my customers were taking boxes.
New Year's Eve,
Yeah,
and
there's so many
Christmas.
things going on. Yeah, families.
Everyone
around.
wants to have one, more than one,
Yeah,
in house.
exactly.
One is never enough.
And do you like caramel?
Yeah, I like caramel.
I'm gonna give you a taste of my bourbon vanilla salted caramel.
Okay,
Just
okay.
taste this. This is great on anything from, of course, brownies and cakes and ice cream to
Like a filling.
sandwiches and coffee, or like
You can use it as sugar, right?
yeah. I mean, it's both sweet and has dairy in it, so it's great for coffee. It's great for sandwiches, like I'll put peanut butter or almond butter
Okay, okay.
On bread with a little bit of the caramel. With fruit, just anything you can possibly imagine would go with.
You make this at home?
Sorry?
You make this at home?
Not at home, no. I have a small bakery
Okay.
to make them. When I first started, I only made one like 3 or 4 at home, just to see how people liked. Once it was working, I said, well, I need a real kitchen.
Yeah,
Cannot use a home kitchen.
that's a real entrepreneur.
It's a lot of work, and oven will only take a few at a time. It's just
now it's difficult times, right?
yeah. Well, this whole year
Been strange here in Amsterdam, right? How much do
it's
I
going to
owe?
be $17.50 altogether. Cash or card? I can
Cash,
take
please.
cash if you have it.
Yeah.
20. Yeah, this year for about 6 months I did not work in the beginning of the year because of the whole coronavirus stuff. But
Did you were in a full lockdown?
yeah, well, January and February I took most of those months just to rest. Anyway, the weather is really bad here, and then I decided to come back in March. But then I see the news about coronavirus. I said, okay, maybe it's possible people get infected by food. Nobody knew.
Yeah,
what was.
It's similar.
Yeah.
So it's difficult to understand if a person has COVID or not.
I was afraid, not for me so much, because in the beginning they said only old people will be infected. And okay, I don't want to tell anyone, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Let's wait a few more weeks. Let's get some news.
Yeah.
And then it was locked down, and then so a few months, and then June I started working again slowly, but yeah, less people.
Yeah,
Now this is
I've
another
been here
lockdown.
before, and this market is very, very empty.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of stalls are
Exactly.
closed, so
Only for the food is allowed now, and like dropless pharmacy kind of
no
stuff.
souvenirs, nothing
No
like that.
souvenirs, no clothing, things like that is not allowed anymore. So yeah.
And my only fears is not us personally, is my grandfather, grandmother. That's the problem with the respiratory
Yeah.
diseases and
Exactly.
stuff like that. If I catch and pass
Yeah,
to
you
them,
could- you could
that's
pass it
my
on.
problem.
Exactly.
Not to have it, but
Yeah, it's less that you're
Less
less
probably-
concerned about you
yeah.
and more about others. But even younger people, like we're also susceptible. You could, it's not a high chance, but things can
it
still
can go
happen.
wrong. Yeah,
I know people who are younger than me, in their 20s and 30s, that have
That's my
bone
age, yeah.
scarring and all kinds of stuff. So I'm like, oh my god, okay. I don't want that.
you should take care. Yeah.
It's not a high chance that you'll get something like that, but yeah, who knows? Who knows how it is.
Difficult time.
So it's a strange time. Yeah, it's a very weird time.
Can I try it?
Oh yeah, I didn't.
Sorry.
Yeah, we were talking and I lost the track. Yes.
I distracted you.
Let's try.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is very nice. Very nice. Very nice candy.
Yummy.
Very yummy. You know, how many years are you living here?
I've been here for 5 years now. Surprisingly, I thought I would learn Dutch by now, but
Have you been to classes or something
no, I
like
haven't
that?
taken classes, and that's what I need to
That's
do.
what I need.
If I do that, then I think I would learn. This is a delicious brownie for you. Hi.
Can I get two?
Sure.
I have the bourbon vanilla
Uh-huh.
and the dark chocolate.
Thank you by the dog.
Yeah.
And
No
have a
worries.
nice year.
You as well. Enjoy,
to see you
enjoy New Year's in Amsterdam.
here
and,
again.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I don't know if are they having fireworks this year or no?
I saw some rules about the prohibition of that, but
Yeah, because
I think that
usually
will
it's
happen
pretty
again.
wild. It's
Yeah,
pretty
yeah,
wild with the New Year's.
A lot of thunders, I guess.
What's that?
hands off, eyeballs off.
Thunders instead of the.
Big.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it'll still be. I'm sure it'll still be interesting. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Will be an interesting night.
We're here to see. So have a nice year.
You as well. You
Bye-bye.
as well.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year. Take care.
So this was the brownie stall. Like I said, in Amsterdam, very nice people, very nice brownies. You should go there and buy a coffee too. For more of my getaways, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. And if you want to watch more, I will put here a video of a walk in Lisbon. See you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.